Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikasar, the Hindu editorial dictation. Heading is Whatever It Takes. First article. This article related to COVID-19 vaccine. We have second article Poison and Prison. ये आर्टिकल आपका यूएस काफ़ी सारी कंट्री को लेकर है. इस आर्टिकल का हम डिस्कस करेंगे 80 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. फर्स्ट आर्टिकल वी हैव डिस्कस 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. Be ready, guys. Start. Faith in entities is often an act of personal commitment, not amenable to classification, but trust in a scientific process can be established with confidence building measures and full disclosure of all relevant data. Any mass campaign that involves voluntary effort on the part of the public can succeed only when transparency and open communication channels are the tools of choice. If the poor rate of uptake of the COVID-19 vaccine in most of the states in the country is any indication, the government has not taken the people of the country along in what is a purely voluntary exercise, but when vested with great power to retard the pace of the epidemic. Full stop. For instance, Tamil Nadu, a state perceived to be largely health literate and relatively well equipped with health infrastructure, achieved only over 16% of its targeted coverage on the launch day. On the second day of vaccination, the compliance further dropped. In some states, vaccination was suspended. A marked favoring of the Covishield vaccine over Covaxin was also noticed in multiple states. But none of this is a surprise. The signs verily were out there for everyone to see for a long time ended. Studies measured high levels of vaccine hesitancy among the general population and among healthcare workers, the first in the line list of people to receive free vaccination. Clearly, vaccine hesitancy was not addressed sufficiently or not taken seriously enough. With the sequence of events that followed the clearance of emergency use authorization in Covaxin, it is emergency use authorization in clinical trial mode, a high-handed announcement with little attempt to put out compelling evidence in the public domain or answer multiple queries in press conference. Vaccine hesitancy merely dug its heels in deeper. The inability of the government and agencies involved to amicably resolve controversies surrounding the clearance for Covaxin even before it was able to produce interim data on efficacy from phase 3 trials has had a direct consequence as witnessed by poor numbers in its uptake so far. A vaccine unequivocally is public good, but the lack of transparency surrounding the rollout of the COVID-19 vaccines has done little to enhance trust in this experimental principle. This uncommon haste in trying to cling towards the tape while still some distance from the finish line might have been justified if the state had taken the people along. Vaccinating the nation, however, is less a race than a slow and steady process. Building confidence in the process is crucial to achieve the task at hand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's often repeated mantra Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is very relevant here. And the health ministry must do whatever it takes to make success of the vaccination drive. Full stop. 460 वर्ड 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स आप इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे.